Hi, Eden Valley Drones, filming the Eden Valley Railway. I think this is part 11. I think this is roughly where I left off the other day, so I'm filming 3 videos today. I've already filmed 1. So we're not far off Warcop. I'll just put the camera up so you can see where I'm going. Straight down there. And there's another little railway crossing I can see. And it looks like someone's put some fresh gravel down on the track. It's nice to see this bit of track's being worked on. I gather one day there'll be trains coming down here up to Appleby. There's another railway bridge here. I think I've got a cross bird. I can hear it. Where is it? It's hanging around my drone anyway. So I'm going to get out of the way before it hits me. Probably thinks I'm a bird of prey. Let's get out of here before it comes after me. Yeah, it's definitely been work done on the line here. Go away, bird, I'm not hurting you. Wind's getting up a little bit here. It's a beautiful part of the Eden Valley Railway here. There's that bird again, and this is another one. Right, I'm going to have to go a bit higher now. And what I want to do, because my drone, I can see it, it's going behind a hill. So this might be short, because I don't think I can go any further. But I'll keep going a little bit more. Yeah, they've definitely been doing work here. I'll zoom in on it. You can see the new gravel they've put down. So that is really good news. I wonder when they're going to start running trains on here, unless they already are. Fabulous. I'm just looking to see where I can start off on my next film. Looking for a road or something. What's this here? Is that a road? It's a track. To keep away from these buildings to my right. Right, let's split the camera up and see where I am. Now I've got permission to fly here from Carlisle Air Traffic Control, and I've told them what flight altitude I'm flying at, because sometimes a helicopter lands here for Warcop military base, and that's over there where that truck is. So I've got full permission off air traffic control, so if anybody thinks I haven't, I have, because I phoned them up. So I'm going to stop here, come back, and you see where the road is past the air sock. I'll probably go down there and film the rest. Right, that's all for now. I'll catch you later. Thanks everybody.